don't think good. Top Australian 16313. Magda's got one set up. Magda's got one set up. If you win, you get an invite to Greek Easter, and I will pay you to let me take your prize. All right, here we go. Can we see a superfractor finally? Walker refractor. It's on the Cherry crew if you're there. Or maybe get him to send a link, William Hickey. Bill Qual. If any of my mods are around that have access to the link to Magda's Legends, Mark Bradkey. Kai Soto. The link, I give you permission to post it. Jack McVeigh for the Jack Jumpers to 109. Hickey. To Sean Thomas refractor for the Wildcats. What team? Wildcats. What team? Wildcats. What team? Wildcats. Rayan Rupert. Oh, yes. Daniel Johnson. Gak. Mitchell. Of course, we do have Japan v Sweden today. Bryce Cotton, throwback. Rashad Kelly, rookie. Oh, good. Kai Soto. Mitch McCartan. Mitch McCartan. Gak. Newly. No. Mitchell. Step, man. Bow, bow. Man, Japan, I reckon. Tucker, Kelly, Ryan Brokoff. Japan's been good defensively, and Sweden, I don't know, haven't been that good attacking-wise, so I think Japan holds them out. Statman, Hukporti. Deg. Xavier Cooks, Daniel Fotu, Grant Underchevich. Fotu, Barry Brown Jr. I don't think I've eaten today. Oh no, I had a little chips, that's right. Underchevich, Brisbane Bullets, Jason Cady. No, trust me, you want to be at Greek Easter with Magda. Trust me. Sean Bruce. All right, Tar Harvey for the Illawarra Hawks. I nearly said Atlanta. Unnumbered. Cool jersey, though. Green, Tyler Johnson for the Brisbane Bullets. Numbered to 99. Aquera. Oh, yes. Subby. I've been there. Silver, George King, Rayan Rupert. Come on, Japan. Rupert. Point guard, Carl Adnam. Gak. Of course, the weekly break tonight, Sluggers has Tribute in it, which is one of the best products around. Gak, Larry Sengstock, Mitchell. Aquera, I like blue, Josh Magette, number to 75. Humphries, Statman. John Antonio. Breakers, WMW. Oh, good ringer. Liafa, Fotu, and Dashevich. Fotu, Adnam. Terrence. Oh, apologies for my yawns. DJ Mitchell. I have burnt out. Alan Williams. Shannon Scott, Hickey, Qual. We should have another hit, I believe. An auto or another relic. There's your auto, Mitch McCarron for the Adelaide 36ers. So once again, we continue, Antonio. One auto, one jersey. Ray John Tucker. I am good, buddy. How are you, Roy? Deja Vasiljevic, numbered to 109. And Tyler Harvey for the Hawks. And that is Crohn's 16313.